In this simulation, we have a burette over a stir plate, an Erlenmeyer flask, a balance, some indicator, and various samples on our shelf. You'll be performing a titration. You can use the balance to weigh your sample by first placing the Erlenmeyer on the balance and tearing the mass. Then place your sample to record the mass of KHP. You can then add water and dissolve your sample by placing the Erlenmeyer on the stir plate and turning it on. Before performing any titration, be sure to add indicator by clicking on it. This will allow the solution to change color when the titration is complete. You can dispense the solution from the burette by using your down arrow key. Note that the volume in the burette decreases and is added dropwise to your sample. Stemble will warn you when you're about to reach the end point of the titration. At this point, simply continue to add from the burette dropwise by tapping the down arrow key and watching your sample for a color change. Note that color changes will happen initially that will not stay. Continue to add titrant until the color change has persisted. At this point, you may read the final volume from your burette and the titration is complete. Be sure to follow any additional instructions by consulting the help menu at the bottom right of your screen.